Okay, welcome to Super Bowl Dupenhouse Blizzard 2010. Here's the opening lineup. My team versus Finn's team. If it looks a little unequal, you're right. Because I have to play against a 3-year-old. And here's what makes it even more unfair. The owner and coach of that team is also the ref. Blow your whistle.
Hike.
Hike. Here we go. And start. Here's the other problem. The ref doesn't let us do it. Okay, the ref is psycho. Max, is it a problem that the ref is psycho?
I got it!
Look.
He got a touchdown.
No, the ref is...
He got one of my people.
Okay, Max. The ref doesn't allow you to touch his players. He doesn't allow you to score. No, Gus, we've been through the rules before with the ref. We can't move, we can't tackle, we can't score, we can't touch his players.
And you can't get my people.
And here's the worst part. The ref had the haircut like Kate Gosselin. He has those up in the back. How are we supposed to win, Finny?
These guys.
But I can't tackle them, I can't touch them. And you took both of the coaches. And you even took Brett Favre and Peyton Manning. I have no quarterback. This is going to be the hardest Super Bowl game of my life.
This is me. This is my person.
Yes.
He's on the touchdown though.
Okay, I'm gonna end the movie before the ref figures that out.